Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture we are going to solve some numerical for transient analysis. This is we are going to take for RL series circuit and this is part 2. Already we have solved 4 numerical based on RL series circuit in part 1. That was the unit number 3, lecture number 3. Here in this unit number 3, lecture number 4, we are going to solve 4 more problems based on the RL series circuit. So after solving 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9 numerical, your concept will be clear how to get the transient analysis, how to get the current or voltage across a particular branch by using this technique. So this is the problem number 1. Just here in the circuit, switch S1 is closed at t equal to 0 and switch S2 is opened at t equal to 0.2 second. Find the expression. Okay, so at t equal to 0, right, S1 is closed. So when you close the switch, S1 is closed, it is example of rise in current. It is example of rise in current, right ना? जैसे क्लोज करोगे तो सोर्स विल बी देयर. अगर सोर्स सर्किट में आ गया तो इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ राइज इन करंट. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I इक्वल टू V by R 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau, right? Okay, what about the tau? L by R. What is the L? L is 1 Henry. R कितना? It is 10. Why? Because at time t equal to 0, switch S2 क्या है? ओपन करने वाले हैं 2.2 सेकंड पे, बट एट t equal to 0 पे स्विच क्या है? क्लोज है. अगर ये क्लोज है तो ये क्या है? शॉर्ट है. रेजिस्टेंस 50 ओम क्या है? अर्लियर शॉर्ट. सो I equal to V tau equal to L by R, that is 0.1 second. ओके, बिकॉज ये स्विच आप ओपन बाद में करने वाले हैं, अभी तो क्लोज है, शॉर्ट है. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I इक्वल टू V by R? V कितना है? 100. R कितना है? 10. It is not a 60, it is 10 only. This is short. तो 10. 1 minus e raised to minus t है और tau. So at I at कितने टाइम तक इस कंडीशन में है? 0.2 सेकंड तक. So we have to calculate the I at 0.2 second. So I at 0.2 second कितना होगा? 10. 1 minus e raised to minus 10. t कितना है? 0.2. Okay, so I'm going to use the calculator. I'm getting 8.64. 8.64 ampere, right? So 0.2 second में this will be reached to that inductor will store the current of 8.64 ampere. Now at t equal to कितने सेकंड पे? 0.2 सेकंड. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? स्विच S2 is opened. स्विच S2 ओपन कर देंगे तो दिस इज क्लोज कर दिया था आपने t इक्वल टू 0 पे, ये ओपन कर दिया तो इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ राइज इन करंट. अगेन क्यों राइज इन करंट क्यों है? सोर्स है ना. अगर जिसको S1 को क्लोज कर दिया तो सोर्स 100 वोल्ट का सोर्स इज देयर और 100 वोल्ट का सोर्स है तो इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ राइज इन करंट. क्या आएगा? I इक्वल टू V by R. V कितना है? प्लस एट दैट टाइम ऑलरेडी उसने स्टोर करके रखा कितना 8.64, सो प्लस 8.64 दैट इज I0 e raised to minus t by tau. एंड प्लीज याद रखना दिस स्टोर्ड वैल्यू कभी भी कम होती है, स्टोर्ड वैल्यू दिस इज द डिकेइंग ओनली. सो v कितना है नाउ, v कितना है 100. व्हाट इज r? अगर इसको ओपन कर दिया तो 50 विल कम इन पिक्चर, सो 50 प्लस 10 60. ओके 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau plus 8.64 e raised to minus t by tau. So this कितना आएगा 100 upon 60 1.66 माइनस 1.66 है और प्लस 8.64 so I am getting plus 6.98 e raised to minus t by tau. Okay, now here tau equal to what? Here tau equal to what? L by R. What is L? 1 Henry. R कितना है? R equal to 50 plus 10 60. Please be careful about it. Earlier in this first position when this was open, sorry short, so it was by 1 by R 1 by 10. But यहाँ अगर वो open हो गया तो 50 will come in picture, तो 1 by 60 हो जाएगा. So I equal to what? I equal to V 1.66 plus 6.98. tau कितना है 1 by 60, so minus 60 numerator में 60 and t. And here you are not operating the switch at t equal to 0. Second time you are operating the switch after some delay. So यहाँ t ना आके क्या आएगा t dash. Here t dash, here t dash, here t dash, here t dash. Please be careful about it. You are not operating the switch at t equal to 0. You are operating the switch after some time, after some delay. So t dash. So answer क्या आएगा 1.66 plus 6.98. Okay. Okay. E raised to minus 60 and t dash क्या है t minus 0.2. It is delayed by 0.2 seconds. That is the answer I am getting. That is the answer. Okay. 1.66 plus 6.98 e raised to minus 60 t minus 0.2 and find the expression for the tangent current for the two. If you are going to draw the curve also, so curve कैसा आएगा? That is the t. Okay, that is the expression for current I. कैसे आएगा? Suppose this would be in this position only. सिर्फ आपने S1 is open only at t equal to 0. स्विच S2 को कुछ नहीं कर रहा है, तो करंट कहां तक बढ़ने वाला था? ये V by R. दिस वाज द आंसर. कितना 100 upon 10. दैट इज द transient curve. This is the transient part replaced. So it would go up to 10 ampere. 10 ampere जाने वाला था ऐसे. ऐसे जाने वाला था 10 एम्पियर पे. बट एट t इक्वल टू व्हाट टाइम? t इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0.2 सेकंड. एट t इक्वल टू 0.2 सेकंड करंट कहां तक गया? वो 8.64 तक. सो दिस वैल्यू इज व्हाट? 8.64 एम्पियर. ओके, सो यहां से यहां तक गया है. उसके बाद क्या होगा? यू हैव ओपन द स्विच, S2 is open. So what will be the current I equal to? This is the final answer. So t equal to अगर आप infinite put कर देंगे, if you put it, so this part will become 0. So current will reduce now. current कहाँ से आएगा? यहाँ से जाने के बाद ये कम होना शुरू हो जाएगा. And what is the final current? t equal to what? Infinite. कहाँ तक आएगा current? 1.66 ampere. So this is the answer. Like this. Okay, so this is the curve you will get. Okay, so this is the question number 1 we have solved. Okay, next question I'm going to solve. I'm rubbing it. See here, question number 2. Question number 2. Find the current and voltage across the inductance at time t equal to 0.04 second after opening the switch at t equal to 0. So earlier switch was closed. Switch was closed before t equal to 0. Before t equal to 0, switch was closed. So ऐसा डायग्राम आएगा before t equal to 0, 20 volt, 10, this is 10, this is 1 Henry, right now? You can say what about this? अगर ये close था तो what about 20? You can say 20 volt and 20 ohm both are in parallel, right now? 20 volt and 20 ohm parallel. Or I told you earlier, anything parallel with the resistance, it is redundant. आप बोलेंगे सर ये भी तो पैरेलल है. नो, इट इज इन सीरीज. So anything in parallel with the voltage source, it is redundant, and if you want you can remove it, right? So आप चाहो तो 20 ohm को निकाल सकते हो. It will not affect the result. So 10. So before t equal to 0, switch was open, right? So what is the value of I0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to what? What is the current? I equal to what? V by R. V कितना है 20 upon R कितना है 10. So I am getting 2 ampere. IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to V upon R. V 20 upon 10. 2 ampere. Now at t equal to 0, I'm opening the switch. Open the switch. If the switch is open, what is the circuit you will get like this? This. This is 10. This is 20. This is 1 Henry. So it is what? It is what? It is a example of decay in current. Why decay in current? Because there is no source of energy. So I equal to क्या आएगा? I equal to V by R e raised to minus t by tau. That is I0 e raised to minus t by tau. I0 कितना है? 2 ampere. So it is 2 e raised to minus t by tau. What is the tau? Tau equal to L by R. L कितना है? 1 Henry. R कितना है? 30. 10 plus 20, 30. Okay. So what is the value of I? I equal to क्या आएगा? 2 e raised to minus at what? T equal to 0.04 second. I at 0.04 second. So 2 e raised to minus 0.04 और टाउ कितना है? 1 by 30. So 30 ऊपर आ जाएगा. Okay. So we will get, I am going to use the calculator. I am getting I equal to 0.60 ampere. So I am getting I equal to 0.602 ampere, right? So that is the answer. I got I equal to 0.602 ampere. Now after opening the switch, find the current. Current आ गया. Voltage across inductor. What is the voltage across inductor? Switch is open. Voltage across inductor equal to what? voltage across inductor. VL. VL equal to VR. इसके अक्रॉस ना, इसके अक्रॉस हो चाहे इसके अक्रॉस हो, will be same because this 1 Henry and 30 ohm both are in parallel, we can say. So VL equal to VR equal to what? I into 30. I into 30. So 0.602 into 30 equal to what? 18.06 volt. I am getting it. और अगर VL ही निकालना है तो VL इक्वल टू क्या होता है? L di by dt. L you know 1 Henry है, d by dt और I कितना? I got it here. ये 2 e raised to minus 1.2. Okay, so by using this you will get same answer, that is the 18.64, sorry 06 volt. Okay, so that is the answer. Next question I am going to solve example number 3. Example number 3, I am rubbing it first. Just example number 3. The switch is closed for a long time. Switch was closed for a long time. Find IL for all t after switch is open. The switch was closed, okay, as for long, as the switch was closed for a long time. What was the IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to I of 0 equal to what? Equal to what? V by R. V कितना है? 10. R कितना है? This was closed. So ये part और ये part short है. It was closed. So it was shorted. So V by R, V कितना है? 10 और R कितना है? 1. 10 ampere. Now at t equal to 0, I am opening the switch. Open the switch. Open the switch. As you open the switch, it is example of rise or decay. Rise again. क्यों? ये switch open होने के बाद rise ही रहेगा. Source is there. It is example of rise in current. So what is the example of rise in current? I equal to V by R. In bracket 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. This is because of source. And already पहले से स्टोर कितना रखा उसने 10 एम्पियर. सो वो इसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा? डिके इन नेचर 10 e raised to minus t by tau. So this is rise in nature. This is always decay in nature. उसका okay. So क्या आएगा? V by R. V कितना है? Now when the switch is open, V कितना हो जाएगा? 10 तो है ही और 30 will also come in picture. स्विच ओपन होने के बाद ये दोनों सर पहले शॉर्ट था, सो 40 हो जाएगा. V 40 अपॉन R कितना है? R कितना था? 1 था और 4 विल कम इन पिक्चर, तो ये हो जाएगा 5. 4 प्लस 1 5, राइट. 1 माइनस ई रेज टू माइनस टी बाई टाउ प्लस ये 10 e raised to minus t by tau. So I am getting what? 8. 40 upon 5. 8 into 1. 8 minus 8 यहाँ आएगा और plus 10. So plus 2. Right ना? This is 40 upon 5. 8 into 1. 8 minus 8 और यहाँ plus 10. So plus 2. That is the answer I am getting. Where? Here. tau equal to time constant tau equal to L by R. L is what? L is 0.5. R कितना है? 1 plus 4, 5. 1 by 10. So what is the value of I? I'm getting I equal to 8 plus 2 e raised to minus, ये tau 1 by 10 है तो minus 10t. That is the answer I am getting. I equal to 8 plus 2 e raised to minus 10t. Okay, that is the answer we have. So earlier switch was closed, so ये part short था. So कितना करंट स्टोर कर लेगा इंडक्टर? V by R 10 by 1. और बाद में क्या होगा? स्विच ओपन होने के बाद दिस 4 ohm will come in picture और this source will also be come in picture. So 10 plus 30, there is 40 volt और R कितना हो जाएगा? 5, like that. Okay, I am rubbing it and I am going to talk one more numerical. That will be the last numerical based on the RL circuit. So I am rubbing it. Example number 4 we have. In the circuit shown in figure, switch closed at t equal to 0. इसका मतलब पहले स्विच क्या था? ओपन था. Determine the current in the inductor at t equal to 0.1 second. Switch was closed. So before t equal to 0, okay, switch was open. Switch was open, so current यहाँ flow नहीं हो रहा था, right? So current was flowing here, ऐसा जा रहा था 1 ampere. So what is the IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to what? 0. Why? Because current यहाँ flow हो रहा है. Is there any resistance here? No. Who will store the current? Inductor. Inductor यहाँ है ही नहीं है. Inductor तो यहाँ switch open है. तो what is the current stored by inductor earlier? 0. Right? So that is the answer. Now at t equal to 0, close the switch. Close the switch. As you close the switch, you will get 2 loops. ऐसा डायग्राम आ जाएगा. Like that. 2 Henry, 50 ohm, 30 ohm, 100 volt and 2 ampere. And I told you already we can't solve such problem which is having 2 loops. It is better to convert, use the source transformation. So you can see this part. This is the voltage source and 30 ohm connected in parallel. You can, series. You can convert into current source. So you will get 2 ampere. ये भी ये एरो हेड ऊपर है न्यूमरेटर साइड, सो यहाँ एरो हेड आएगा और टेल एंड यहाँ आएगा. कितना आएगा? 100/30, 10/3. क्लियर? और दिस रेजिस्टेंस विल कम इन पैरेलल, 30 ohm. This is 50 ohm, 2 Henry. 50 ohm, 2 Henry, 30 ohm will come in picture. Now you can say these 2 ampere and 10/3, they are in parallel. So you can convert into one current source. This is 3.33 plus 2, 5.33. Or resistance will come in parallel, 30, 50, 2. Now you can say this 5.33 and this 30 ohm in parallel. Current source and resistance in parallel you can convert into voltage source. Clear? And voltage source की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? जहाँ एरो हेड है वहाँ प्लस और जहाँ टेल एंड है वहाँ माइनस. V equal to what? I into R. This 5.33 into 30. I'm getting 160 volt. 160 volt, and this 50 or 30 in series. 30, 50, and 2 Henry. So it is very simple now. It is example of this diagram. 1, 2, 3, diagram number 4. Diagram number 4. क्या है? Example of, it is example of rise in current. Rise in current because source is there, rise in current. So I equal to what? V by R 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau, where tau equal to what? Tau equal to L by R. L कितना है? What is the value of L? 2. R कितना है? 80. 2 by 80 मतलब 1 by 40 second, right? So I equal to what? I at what time? नहीं, at I at 0.1 second. So I equal to what? V. V is what? 160. V by R. R कितना है? 80. V by R. I equal to V by R 1 minus e raised to minus t. T कितना है? minus 0.1 by tau. This is the formula, na? V by R 1 minus e raised to minus t by tau. Tau is what? 1 by 40. So 40 will come in numerator. 40. Okay. So I am getting, this is the answer. I equal to 2. Okay. So just I am going to use the calculator. What is the answer? 0.4 e raised to shift e raised to minus 4. Okay, I am getting, this is equal to what? 2. 160 upon 82. 1 minus e raised to minus 4. 4 कितना आ रहा है? जिसके बदले में क्या आ रहा है? 0.00, 0.01, 0.01. Okay, so 1 minus 0.0183. I am getting 0.98 into 2 into 2. I am getting 1.96 ampere. Okay, so I am getting 1.96 ampere. That is the current at 0.1 second. Okay, so this is the way of solving the problem. Please याद रखना, you have to initialize the initial condition, find the time constant, convert two loop into one loop by using source transformation, and by whether it is example of rise or decay, you can get the answer. Okay, so I am rubbing it. Okay, so I had taken 4 numerical. Now in the next lecture I will discuss the RC series circuit and numerical based on that. Then I will take RLC series circuit, then initial and final condition. Again we will discuss few more numerical based on the transient circuit. Okay, so thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank